First Rose. The Prayers of the Rosary. The Rosary is made up of two things, mental prayer and vocal prayer. In the Holy Rosary, mental prayer is none other than the meditation of the chief mysteries of the life, death, and glory of Jesus Christ and of His Blessed Mother. Vocal prayer consists in saying 15 decades of the Hail Mary, each decade headed by an Our Father, while at the same time meditating on and contemplating the 15 principal virtues which Jesus and Mary practiced in the 15 mysteries of the Holy Rosary. In the first 5 decades, we must honor the 5 joyous mysteries and meditate on them. In the second 5 decades, the sorrowful mysteries, and in the third group of 5, the glorious mysteries. So the Rosary is a blessed blending of mental and vocal prayer, by which we honor and learn to imitate the mysteries and the virtues of the life, death, passion, and glory of Jesus and Mary.